Most people who are eligible have already received their economic stimulus check, but that doesn't include everyone. Fox 2's Vic Faust talks with Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary about why there's still a large amount of unclaimed money. Here's this week's Legal Lens.
As the IRS processes 2020 tax returns, it is also sending new $1,400 stimulus payments to those people it did not previously have on record.
If you have not filed a tax return, you still may be eligible to receive the stimulus. So there's still lots of money out there that people have not claimed because it's tied to the tax return. So even if you don't normally file one, you still may be able to get a stimulus check.
Are you getting questions, or do you talk to people who are in those situations right now?
I do. So what we see is that typically occurring with people who are homeless or people who have federal beneficiaries, such as Social Security beneficiaries, but they themselves do not receive benefits, and other people who are retired or for whatever reason just don't file a tax return every year. So, if you do file tax returns every year, you just automatically get your stimulus check.
Andrea McNary says she has seen lots of people who are in the underserved population not receiving stimulus checks because they don't file a tax return, but they're still entitled to one. What should somebody do?
Well, the IRS actually offers lots of help for these segments of population. So if you do not have to file a tax return, what they are encouraging people to do is to still file one. And there are free services that if your income, I believe, is under $57,000 a year, or you have no income, there are tax-free or free services that'll help you with your taxes, both online and in person. It can also be done by phone. And there are also if you want to expedite your payment, you can open a bank account with your mobile phone just for the purpose of receiving your stimulus check. So lots of free resources available to people who don't normally file taxes for the sole purpose of getting them their stimulus check.
As with other people who do not typically file tax returns, they may be eligible to use the IRS's free file program or qualify for other in-person tax assistance. Vic Faust, Fox 2 News.
You can catch the Legal Lens with Andrea McNary of Brown and Crouppen each Wednesday at 6:30.